Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, karibu sana. We are going to be making this amazing chocolate cake today, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. And I hope you hit the subscribe button. Please like my recipe, please share it. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So for today's recipe, you will need some flour. This is 3 cups of flour and 2 cups of sugar and some cooking oil, some vinegar, some baking soda, vanilla extract, salt, coffee, and unsweetened cocoa powder. I will list everything in the description box, so be sure to check that out. So this is 3 cups of flour. I'm adding half a cup of cocoa powder. Then we go in with 2 cups of sugar, and then I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 2 teaspoons of baking soda. So you mix all this together. This will be your dry ingredients. So here I have my coffee. I'll add 2 cups of water. And then I'll add, this is 1/3 of a cup. So I'll add 2 of this, 2/3 of a cup of oil, cooking oil. And then I'll add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So this is the wet ingredients and the dry. So you'll go ahead and pour all the wet ingredients here. It's a very easy cake and it comes together very fast. So just mix all that together. Yeah, and like that, don't worry about the lumps. As long as everything is mixed in together, it will come out perfectly. So as you're doing this, make sure your oven was preheating at 180 degrees Celsius. So we'll go ahead and put this in our baking tin and then put it in the oven. So here I have my 2 tins. I've already put some oil in them. So I'm going to sprinkle some flour. just like that, you coat your tins with oil and flour. So you're going to divide it into two. You put just like half in one, and then you put the other one. So go ahead and put this in the oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. So I want to check if one of them is done. I'll just bring it out. And the skewer has come out clean, so meaning it is done. So we're going to let it cool for around 20 minutes in the tin, and then we are going to remove it later. So let's check on the second one. So the second one is done. We are also just going to let this cool for around 20 to 30 minutes, and then we'll see how they turn out. So the cakes came out and they turned out so good. I just want to cut one of them so that you can see how moist it is. So this is how it looks. You can see it's very spongy. So try this recipe out, guys, and let me know how it turns out. So always wrap your cake in cling film after it has cooled down. This helps the cake stay moist for longer. You can store this in the fridge and it will not dry up. So the cake came out so amazing. Please try this recipe, guys. Subscribe to my channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe, and thank you so much for watching my videos. So I'll see you in the next recipe. Bye.